in their first few games rather, andon ang opensa, wala ang depensa. Recently, they were limited by only 30% from the field, a clear testament how their shots are not falling.
Lino Gutierrez ng Mabini, Tanawan City. 2 minutes gone by in the second quarter. Sumalaksak sa loob si Ace Tiamson. He scores. Gives it up to Robbie Naive. The pull-up, Pasturan, can't get it to go. Patrick Ramos, 4 na segundo sa kanilang shot clock. Escoto intercepting that pass. Inside they go. Ace Tiamson will score his second field goal of the ball game. Laban sa Marikina.
Nag-react ang there we could see the steal of Scotto in an easy conversion for them. Nag-react yung bench and converting it to a 2 points for the Marikina Shoemasters.
Robbie Naive. Labanza. Poste na naman. Help defense comes. RR forced to take a tough shot. He makes it anyway over MJ De La Vergen.
Good kick out pass for the Marikina Shoemasters.
MJ pull up. Gets the friendly bounce by Jason Strape. Alabanza takes the free short. Timaho the offensive rebound. Sa loob, masikip pero nagawa ng paraan ni RR Casajeros. The two guards are there, Patrick Ramos and MJ De La Vergen. And then the front line composed of Flexa Precu, Vince Tolentino, and Jason Strape. Pasok yung tres, galing sa corner. MJ De La Vergen, 10 points para sa kanya. Alabanza using his size. Escoto. Nakawala kay MJ De La Vergen. He lays it in over Felix Apreco. Under 3 minutes to go. Bumagsak si Escoto. De La Vergen launches the three. No good. Apreco, the follow-up. Escoto. Pocket pass. Havillonar. Count it plus a foul.
Marikina Shoemasters. They're only down by 4 in this quarter.
Patience from Escoto.
They're on their way in where they want to be. Ken and Coach Vic.
Maraming salamat, Daphne. Yun naman, no? You take everything. Game to game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
That was a good shot there by Escoto. Kasi nung bumalik, malaking bagay talaga yung mga time na binibigay niyo para sa isa't isa.
Multiple offensive rebounds. Tolentino got rejected though. Landayan lost it. At dyan magtatapos ang ating second quarter. What a comeback for Marikina.